I used to take tons of notes, pages and pages, but nothing ever happened with them. I'd write things down and completely forget about them. So even though I was taking notes, I wasn't learning or improving anything. Then I tried something different. I combined note-taking with AI to turn notes into insights and action steps. Suddenly, my notes became my secret productivity weapon, not a storage graveyard. Today, I'll show you how to build this system step by step using free tools. Most people take notes the wrong way. They capture information but never review it, notes stay disconnected, nothing gets turned into action, and most of it disappears from memory. Note-taking isn't about recording. It's about thinking, learning, and applying. And AI helps turn notes from information to transformation. Step 1. Capture raw notes quickly. Whenever I'm learning something, from a book, video, or conversation, I capture short notes in the moment. Not trying to be neat or perfect. Just capturing ideas fast. These are raw notes, messy but real. The goal is to collect, not organize. Create a note called Daily Capture Notes. Add raw bullets every time you learn something today. Do not organize anything yet. Capture first. Think later. Step 2. Move notes into Obsidian for long-term memory. At the end of the day, I open Obsidian and paste my notes into a page called Daily Notes. Obsidian is powerful because it lets you link ideas together, which is how the brain actually learns. Example: Deep work tips, linked to productivity. How habits form, linked to behavior change. This is one of my notes which I have created in Obsidian. When you hover onto any note, it shows the linked notes and you can open any notes by selecting the notes. However, Obsidian is a bit technical, but it can be learned easily. Comment below if you want me to create a separate video on how to use Obsidian. Now ideas aren't isolated, they're connected. Download Obsidian. Create a page named Daily Notes. Paste today's capture notes. Create 1 to 2 links to related notes. Connections create intelligence. Step 3. Use AI to extract insights and summary. Once my notes are in Obsidian, I copy them into AI and ask it. Turn these notes into a structured summary. Extract the key insights and explain why they matter. Suddenly messy notes become clear, organized, easy to remember and actionable. AI doesn't replace thinking. It enhances it. Paste your daily notes into AI. Use the prompt above. Save the summary back inside Obsidian. Learning becomes compressed. Step 4. Turn insights into action steps. Then I ask AI to convert the insights into real steps I can apply. Turn these insights into simple action steps I can apply this week. Because knowledge without action is just digital clutter. When you apply what you learn, notes become results. Ask AI. What should I do next based on this? Choose one task. Schedule it for tomorrow. Small actions equals real progress. Before this system, note-taking felt pointless, just collecting information with no outcome. After enhancing notes with AI, I learn faster, remember more, and turn ideas into results. AI didn't change my notes. It changed what I do with them. Try it today. 1. Capture raw notes. 2. Move to Obsidian. 3. Summarize with AI. 4. Create action steps. 5. Execute one thing tomorrow. Comment Obsidian if you're joining. If this video helped you even a little, hit the like button, it really supports the channel. And if you want more practical systems like this, subscribe and turn on notifications. Before you go, comment Obsidian below if you're committing to trying this system for 24 hours. Let's grow together. See you in the next video.